Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard homemade ice cream. Start by combining 1 1/2 cups of whole milk with 1 cup of heavy cream in a saucepan. Add 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and a pinch of salt. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring until the sugar fully dissolves. This foundational step ensures a smooth, sweet base for your delicious homemade custard ice cream. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk 6 large egg yolks until they are light yellow. Gradually pour about 1 cup of the warm milk mixture into the egg yolks, whisking constantly to temper them. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. Then, return the tempered egg mixture to the saucepan and cook over low heat, stirring continuously for about 5 to 8 minutes, until the custard thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. Once your custard is perfectly thickened, strain it through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step removes any small bits of cooked egg, ensuring a wonderfully smooth texture. Now is the time to add your flavorings. 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract is a classic choice. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the custard for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, until it is completely chilled. Finally, pour your thoroughly chilled custard base into your ice cream maker. Churn it according to the manufacturer's instructions, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes, until it reaches the consistency of soft-serve ice cream. Transfer the freshly churned ice cream to an airtight container and freeze it for an additional 2 to 4 hours to achieve a firm, scoopable texture. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.